Per Inside EVs, Polestar has confirmed the Polestar 7 will enter production, likely in 2027. It will be built in Slovakia at Volvo's new factory, which becomes operational next year. Few details were shared, but Polestar's design chief Philip Rumors described it as performance-oriented with a progressive design. The Polestar 7th of May replaced the Polestar 2 and could resemble the Zeekr 07 sedan. Polestar's CEO, Michael Lohscheller, aims to make the company profitable by 2027, with plans to boost sales by 30 to 35% annually. Polestar also intends to expand its retail presence by 75% by 2026. Meanwhile, the Polestar 5 will launch this year, featuring an 800-volt aluminum platform and 884 horsepower. Polestar's 2024 sales are expected to drop over 10%, but the company anticipates 2025 to be its strongest year yet, driven by the US-built Polestar 3 and the Polestar 4. You are listening to Yuan News.